plague, sustain them by just the land. Off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
Come up, Devon. There you go. Good job. Good job, Javon. Good job hurting him.